October sales report and best-selling item. For the month of October, I had 137 sales across all stores. This is up from my September number, which was 121 sales. My Miss Rhodey store had 89 sales in all. Best-selling items. Once again, my Best Grandpa Ever shirt was my top-selling item. My second best-selling item for October was my Happy Birthday Dad photo greeting card. For the third month in a row, this bath towel set was one of my best-selling items. The rest of my sales included items such as face masks, birthday cards, shot glasses, and gift wrapping paper. Honorable mentions. This gift wrapping paper set is currently my best-selling product in my newer store, Alma Africa. Referrals. Using Pinterest, I had 2 referrals. One was a floral fall themed welcome sign for a wedding, and the other was a personalized cookbook. New pins I created using Canva. So I created a photo Christmas ornament pin to drive traffic. And I also created a Christian themed tote bag pin, as well as another Christmas item featuring Christmas stockings. Thank you.